Cloud presentation by Aryan Jaff, presented for Professor Bing-Nong Lee on October 26, 2022. First, I would like to start by defining the virtualization in cloud computing as making a virtual platform of a server, operating system, and storage devices, and this will help user by providing multiple machines at the same time. It also allows sharing a single physical instance of resource or an application to a multiple user. Second, I would like to shed the light on the differences between cloud and virtualization. Hence, virtualization is a technology that allows to create multiple simulated environments or dedicated resources from a single physical hardware system, while cloud are IT environment that abstract, pool, and share scalable resources across the network. To put it simpler, we can say that virtualization is a technology where cloud is an environment. Cloud services. In this slide, I would like to define the cloud services and their types: SaaS, PaaS, DaaS, and IaaS. SaaS stands for Software as Service, is a software that enables users to access cloud-based application through web connection through a security protocol such as password or MFA, multi-factor authentication method. So the end user have the right to access through the web browser, but he does not own the application software nor the hardware that the data is stored on. PaaS stands for Platform as a Service, differs from SaaS in that instead of providing service for a single use case to subscribers, it maintains an accessible platform that includes multiple development tools, database management systems, server storage, and network solutions that are enable users to build, test, deploy, manage, and update cloud-based applications. IaaS, Infrastructure as Service, this method moves vital storage, networking, and computer resourcing to the cloud. Organization that use IaaS platforms can reduce the cost of buying and managing actual servers and data centers. IaaS services are offered on flexible method. That means the organization pays only for what it needs, and that allows organization to scale their infrastructure up and down based underneath or based on their needs. The last thing that I want to mention about IaaS, the bigger establishment should consider IaaS as a solution since it can be customized exactly according to the need of the establishment. DaaS stands for Desktop as Service. This method provides businesses with cloud-based virtual desktop as a part of subscription services. So end user with authorization can access files and applications via virtual desktops on their internet connected devices from anywhere, anytime they want, which is a huge advantage since a lot of work method became hybrid, specifically after the COVID-19 pandemic. Comparing DaaS to SaaS, we can easily notice that there's a difference between the DaaS that can provide access to an entire set of applications used by an organization, whereas SaaS can only provide access to one application or platform. Service-oriented architectures. Service-oriented architectures is a type of software design that makes software components reusable using services, infrastructure, and use common communication language over a network. Deployment models are divided between four different fundamentals such as private, public, community, and hybrid. And below, I'll define each one of those. Private clouds. In private clouds, business has access to infrastructure in the cloud that is not shared with anyone else. That's why they call it private cloud. But public cloud, in this cloud, individual businesses share on-premise and access-based computer infrastructure such as server, storage, network, and development platform. So that means multiple companies or establishment can share the entire resource and split it based on their needs. When it comes to community clouds, are recent variation on the private cloud model that provide complete cloud solution for specific business communities. And finally, I want to talk about the hybrid clouds. While hybrid clouds can split between public and private cloud infrastructure, however, when it comes to sensitive and important data, it will be remained with the private cloud where the highest security standards can be maintained, and that means the data is protected. Security, storage, legal, privacy issues. Despite all the good things that we just mentioned about cloud, there are still some disadvantages of cloud services, such as misconfiguration of cloud security settings that can lead to data or cloud data breaches, unauthorized access, hijacking of accounts, lack of visibility, and possible cyber attacks. In order to reduce, in order to reduce the risk of these malfunctions that I just mentioned above and reduce the risks in general, we use the DevSecOps processes to improve quality of code and counter any possible vulnerabilities. Beside the security advantages, the DevSecOps hold a potential increase the speed of application development and feature deployment. Thank you so much. I wish you enjoyed my presentation. Have a wonderful day.